I'll try and incorporate those after I do my piece. I will break it down so you can see like what I was trying to emulate, and then there's about 7 slides that I'll take you through on just some brief history and the construction of the instrument. Normally I practice this sitting down with cushions, and I didn't want to try and sit on or bring the cushions, so I'm going to try this. This is in D harmonic minor. They come in a bunch of keys, but I chose this one. It chose me actually. Whose first time is this hearing this instrument? Awesome. Yeah, I was really captivated. I first heard it on a recording, and then I saw it in a live performance, and then I decided I had to get my hands on it. So I'm just going to point out some of the central components. First of all, when you first sit with this instrument, you're supposed to designate it's the lowest note of the scale is at the base, and then it goes up in ascending but alternating pattern. The central node is called the ding, and that's where you hear all of the sort of harmonic resonance. And one of the hardest things for me to really pick up, so my primary instrument is piano, is just the percussive elements, so I literally just spent a long time being like, I just need to hear this. And in my second lesson, my teacher was like, okay, you need to like cultivate what he called ghost notes, so it was like, just really focusing on, hitting the 1 and the 4. octave right there. Some of the more sort of harmonic aspects of this instrument are advanced, and I haven't really figured all of it out, but each of these, they're called tonal areas, are divided into quarters. So if you like do a 90-degree angle, you hold circle your gear, you can achieve a harmonic, but it's difficult. What else? Yeah, I can come back to this. Anyway, so let's see. So what is it? There's a bunch of names for this instrument. I kept calling it a hang drum when we first started this presentation, and I found out later that that's kind of controversial because there's some debate over whether it's a drum or it's more of a melodic thing. Anyway, so handpan is probably the safest and most widely used term nowadays. This instrument was invented in 2000, so there's still a lot of, the cultural aspects and the musical aspects are still being debated. Also called a pantam or UFO drum. It's basically two convex sheets of steel that are compressed together using different types of glue, and that takes a long time to actually seal into place. It's tuned to a single scale, so you've got major, minor, and harmonic scales. A lot of the time you see people with more drums, ensembles, and different groups that specialize in playing these will have several set up, and sometimes they are on stands, and you see them moving back and forth or playing two at a time. The bottom shell doesn't usually contain notes, but it can. And some people, I was going to demonstrate actually, it's called a booty slap.
Makes sense. Good term.
So yeah, and some, you see some percussive, more like experienced drummers that play it like this, but I wasn't ready to explore that just yet. And like I said, harmonics are possible to attain, and it's really interesting when you hear a musician work on. Brief history. So this picture I thought was really cute. This is like one of the first hang drums that was ever created. It's called the mother hang. These are three different names that were invented maybe like 2006, 2007, 2011. And this is actually the inspiration for all of it. It's called the Gatam, and it's from India. I do have a clip where you can see what elements kind of translated into the playing of this. Invented by a person named Felix Rahner and Sabina Schar of Pan Arts in Switzerland. Again, there's a lot of controversy about whether they were really the inventors, where they picked up these harmonic elements. We're going to get into Julia's presentation on steel drums, but there is a lot of respect and history paid to the steel drum and any kind of steel instrument, which spans back all the way to the 1900s, which I won't get into. But Felix, who is considered the inventor of this particular instrument, worked on about 35 years of designs before he invented this one. And the main company that produces these no longer invents these. There's a lot of exclusivity factor in trying to find these instruments. You can find them on Etsy, on Amazon, but the quality is really debatable. They range in the thousands. Looking to pay between $1,000 to $3,000 for a good one. And yes, so the more for the sound of this Indian instrument. Just a few, 30 seconds each. I love how expressive they are. And you can hear, like, this is basically a jug. And that when you press your palm into the center of the jug, you get that wool sound. And I think they were trying to replicate or create something similar with that ding at the top.
1 minute, Elissa.
Oh, that I have left? Okay. All right, this is the song that inspired it all by a band called Portico Quartet. check out. Just so you can hear any programming since you mentioned in the ensembles I have. Anyway, they're amazing. Check them out. And this is the duo that is like probably most famous for bringing together two or more. Just so you can see them pulling together. They do this. You know, they'll pick a note and just alternate. Alright. So Hang Massive, also worth checking out. They've got a couple albums on it. Okay, really quick. This is the anatomy. You've got the ding on the top, the goose side as it's called underneath. The neck is that central circle underneath. Dome of the ding, tone field, dimples. These are referred to as dimples. And then the shoulder is sort of like the broad overarching thing. Construction, really quick. I think these images are fascinating. It takes decades to really perfect how to create this thing, but you see all over the internet people trying to emulate it, but you have to have a lot of tools and machinery to make it happen. Metal sheets, dimples forming, there's a lot of hammering involved. I would get a headache from all of the hours involved in that. And then, you know, the fine tuning. The reason that this instrument is so popular is because there's like the 1-2-3 ratio. So basically every note that you hit and produce is actually very resonant and pleasing to hear. There's a fundamental tone, the octave harmonic and the compound fifth that are heard in each striking of the note, so it's referred to as like ear candy, and is therefore a really popular instrument for sound healing. And lastly, so some of the things that I observed as a pianist going into this, there's no sheet music, which was really encouraged me to explore my creative side and, you know, allow myself to let loose. I found the less that I overanalyzed it and the more I just allowed myself to kind of get into the flow, the better the sound I was producing. But percussive technique I already talked about, limitations of the scale. There's only 8 notes that you get to play with, which is both a pro and a con. You can't really mess it up, but sometimes I found myself getting into a where it's like, I'm bored of the sounds that I'm making. I need to like break out of that. And lastly, it's a dance for the hand. So it's really a physical sort of, you know, there's a level of choreography involved to it that I found really enjoyable.